Hi guys, in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a buy button on Shopify. Like you can add it anywhere on your Shopify, any page on Shopify, okay? Like for example, I would say like contact page, like you can redirect people to purchase the product. Like I said, on any page on Shopify. You can also like add the buy button on your website if you want to do that. This is going to be a very quick video and easy. So before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then after that you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now in the next page, guys, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and then you want to search here for buy button. Okay, so after, guys, you search for buy button, you will find a lot of apps that will help you create a buy button. But the one I like the most, it's called buy button channel. Okay, it says here sell your products on any website or blog. You want to click on it. Now as you can see, you want to click on install. Okay, so guys, after you click on install, what you guys need to do next, you want to click again, just need to confirm. Okay, you just need to confirm, click again on install. Okay, so it's going to take you guys to this page. As you can see, it says here create a buy button for a website or blog. Now what you guys need to do, as you can see, sell your products online and let customers check out right away. Now you want to click on create a buy button, and you can create a buy button for like a collection, like if you have like a collection of products, or you can just create a buy button like for one product. As you can see, what type of buy button would you like to create? If you want to create one for a product, you can create it. You can create also one for a collection. Okay, so I'm going to create a buy button for a product. So I'm going to click here on the first one, product buy button. Now I'm going to select one of these products. I'm going to go with this one. Now when you select product, you can only select here one product. Click on select. Okay, so now you can start customizing this product. If you want, for example, product variant, like to include if you want this product to include all variants, you can just click here where it says here, as you can see, product variant. If this product has multiple sizes, multiple colors, you can just click here on all variants. As you can see here, layout style, you can change the layout style to basic if you want, or you can change it to classic, or you can change it to full view. Okay, so or here action when people click, so you can either take them directly to add to cart page, or you can redirect them to checkout. Like you can just decide what you want exactly. Like if you click here on direct to checkout, they will see this buy now button. But if they click on if you select here add product to cart, you will see this add to cart button. Like instead, like I would say it's better to just add here direct to checkout. Okay, so here a buy the button style. Okay, you can change the button style, like button corners. As you can see, it's just like customizing the button. Okay, so here the bottom width, as you can see, you can change this. You can make it bigger if you want, you can make it smaller. You can also change the background and the bottom text if you want. Button text, like if you want to change the text to some color like red, for example. As you can see, the color is going to change to red. I'm going to change it to red right now. As you can see, now the button has changed, the red text has changed to red, from like white to red. Okay, so as you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, you can also change the text if you want to make this text different. Like if you want to make it bold, like a lot of bold. As you can see, the size, you can also change the size of the button. As you can see, you can make it bigger, whatever. Now if you go back, you can also customize. For example, if you click on advanced settings, you can just decide checkout behavior. Like you can like open a pop-up window or redirect in the same tab. Now if someone clicks on this buy button, it can either redirect them in the same page, or it can open a new tab. Okay, that's exactly what it means. So I'm going to check the second one, which is redirect in the same page. Make sure you click on save in the top right. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is the buy, like get your buy button live. So this is your buy button. As you can see, this code, you just need to copy this code. Now you can paste this code anywhere. You can paste it on your Wix website. Just search on YouTube how you can embed code into your Wix website. There are a lot of tutorials. just paste that exact code. Now if you want to put it somewhere in your Shopify store, I'm going to click here where it says settings, and I'm going to find, I'm actually going to go back. Okay, so I'm going to click here on like I'm going to click on online store. Okay, and I'm going to click on pages. Now for example, if I want to put this in any collection, I can do that. I can put it in the contact here page. I'm going to click on contact page. Now what you guys need to do to paste this in your contact page or any product, if you want to put it in a product page, you can do that. Okay, just open the product page and make sure you click on this show HTML code. Just click on it. Okay, that's very important. And then you want to paste that code here, Ctrl V, or you want to paste it manually. Right click and then click paste, and then you want to click on save. And after guys you click on save, what you guys need to do next is to check if the buy button works. Just click on view page, and as you can see here, just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is the product with different colors, different variants. As you can see now, if I click on this buy button, it will redirect me directly to checkout, as you can see here. So I hope guys this video helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me, and make sure to drop a like, and see you guys next video.